The CubeRuleGet function lets you retrieve the entire rule string of a cube. This can be especially useful when auditing models, performing automated rule analysis, or building tools that interact with cube rules programmatically. The syntax requires a string that specifies the name of the cube you want to inspect. The function returns the complete rule string associated with that cube. This function is available for TurboIntegrator. In this example, I'm going to output the rule from the general ledger cube. In this process, the variable getRule will store the results from the CubeRuleGet function, which retrieves the rule from the general ledger cube. ASCII output will be used to export the results into a file, and I'll run the process, then preview the information in the text file. The results is an exact copy of the rule from the general ledger cube.